The most remarkable aspect of this form is the freedom it provides from paying taxes on orders made through the Shopify platform. By utilizing the specialized form in the Shopify 2023 Pullza template, customers can make purchases without incurring any taxes, resulting in significant savings for both merchants and buyers alike. This unparalleled advantage sets the form apart from traditional purchasing methods, making it a highly desirable option for businesses and shoppers seeking cost-effective solutions. Moreover, the form's design is geared towards direct communication and order processing. Customers can effortlessly submit their orders via this form, which is then seamlessly directed to the merchant's email address associated with the Shopify shop. This unique feature enables ongoing correspondence and customer engagement outside the confines of the Shopify platform. This means that merchants can maintain a personalized connection with their customers and offer exceptional customer service, all while benefiting from the tax-free nature of the form's transactions. In summary, the best feature of this form in the Shopify 2023 Pullza template is its dual advantage of eliminating taxes on Shopify orders and fostering direct personalized communication between merchants and customers. This novel approach to e-commerce not only saves on costs, but also enhances the customer experience, making it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to optimize their online selling strategies. Introducing Template Pullza COD Form, revolutionizing Shopify marketers' sales strategies. Experience a retail evolution with Template Pullza COD Form, a groundbreaking solution meticulously tailored for savvy Shopify marketers. Elevate your sales strategies to new heights through streamlined checkout delivery. This version is your gateway to a comprehensive online store that effortlessly blends sales and offers a customer-centric shopping journey. The COD, cash on delivery, form that grants you complete control over your payment options. The choice is yours. This groundbreaking form puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to choose between cash on delivery or seamless integration of card payments, PayPal, and other options. The power to decide rests in your hands, and the level of flexibility offered is unmatched. Tailored payment experience. Unlike traditional setups, our COD form allows you to craft a tailored payment experience. Opt to use it as a standalone option, offering customers the convenience of paying on delivery. Alternatively, leverage its potential to include card payments, PayPal, and other methods, giving your customers diverse choices at their fingertips. Simplified checkout process. Gone are the days of confusion and clutter. The COD form eliminates the AD cart buttons, streamlining the checkout process. Customers now follow a clear path. Whether they choose the COD route or proceed with integrated payment methods, the experience is seamless and user-friendly. Why choose Template Pullza COD Form? Designed exclusively for Shopify maestros, this version of Template Pullza COD Form caters to the needs of marketers who demand nothing but the best. Prioritize customer satisfaction and convenience in your marketing endeavors like never before. Enjoy the added benefit of tax-free transactions, redefining the way you do business. Seamless interface for all marketers. Whether you're a marketing newbie or a seasoned pro, Template Pullza COD Form welcomes you with an intuitive interface. Say goodbye to complexities. Our user-friendly features make setup and operation a breeze. Transformative product page. Form. Get ready for the standout feature, the advanced product page form. This genius creation adapts to your store's branding seamlessly. Colors, typography, and style harmonize flawlessly, delivering a tailor-made experience to your customers. Dynamic color customization. Let your store's personality shine through. With dynamic color customization, you can effortlessly align the product page form with your store's visual identity. It's like having a designer on call. Form that adapts with style. Colors aren't the only thing that adapt. The entire form adjusts to your store's design elements. Enjoy a consistent and stunning aesthetic throughout your customer's journey. flexible text, customization. Speak your customer's language, literally. Customize form text to convey your unique value proposition in a tone that resonates with your target audience. It's all about making a lasting impression. Automated customer interaction. The magic doesn't stop at checkout. Once the form is submitted, an automated message with all the customer's details is triggered. Personalized and efficient. It's your commitment to top-notch service. Details captured by the form. This intelligent form captures every essential detail for smooth order processing, including product title, normal product price, SKU, size, color, quantity, total price product, URL, name, shipping address, country, email, phone, effortless implementation template. Pullza COD Form seamlessly integrates into your Shopify store. Purchase, install, and configure without breaking a sweat. Even products with varying attributes like size or color are a breeze to set up. Reliable and tested. Rest easy knowing template Pullza COD Form has undergone rigorous testing. Our model guarantees a flawless experience for marketers and customers alike. Elevate your e-commerce game. Embrace the future of Shopify success. Purchase, install, and unlock your online store's full potential today. Template Pullza COD Form is your gateway to exceptional shopping experiences and unstoppable sales growth. Your success story begins here.